Hello financial fans, this is Friday, October 8th of 2021, and this week on Monday, a few days back, October 4th, I bought MFC. The market was down and I bought a stock. I like to buy when the market is down, and MFC was the stock I bought, and I paid $19.35 a share, I do believe, and the stock is now up 2.08% at $19.80. So I've got a little bit of a profit going this week already. And I have some stocks that I've been looking at that seem to be worth considering investing in the not too distant future. Some of them are well-known names. And one of the names is Alphabet Incorporated, and if you don't recognize Alphabet, its symbol is GOOG, and it's probably better known as Google. And as we look at the numbers here for Alphabet Incorporated, also known as Google, also known by its symbol GOOG, $2,801.12 was the closing price for GOOG this week, and that is good that it got over the $2,800 mark, because it was flirting with $27.99 for a long time, but it managed to make it to $28.01, which means somebody has confidence in the future for GOOG. Looking down, two-thirds of the way down, first column on the left, 52-week range, $1,489.45 was the low for the past 52 weeks. So it was down about half of where it is right now, and the 52-week range, the high was $2,936.41. So we are pretty near the high as we speak. The average volume, a little over 1 million shares trade every day, and the experts consider GOOG to be near fair value. So they don't expect the price to go jumping up or down radically anytime soon. The PE ratio, third item down the middle column, PE ratio 30.39, which is higher than what I like, but this is one of the big companies, Google, and so it's going to have a higher than average PE ratio. And it has no dividend. It does not pay a dividend, but it has a one-year target there near the bottom of the middle column. One-year target price, $3,106.11. So that would be a nice move upwards if it does happen to go in that direction. Next, we look at Synchrony Financial. SYF is the symbol, and the 52-week range for Synchrony, $24.47 was the low, so again it's about half of where it is right now, and $52.20 was the high, so it was a little higher than what it is right now, but it is nearer the high than the low for the past 52 weeks. And SYF, if I didn't mention, that is the symbol. The average volume, about 4,897,000 shares trade every day, and it is considered to be undervalued. We like that. Those are the kind of stocks we like to take a chance with, because it's considered that the value is going to increase. Third item down, middle column, PE ratio 8.92. I like that very much. That's under 10. And the forward dividend and yield, small dividend, 1.77%, but at least you're getting something for holding on to the stock. And the one-year target estimate for Synchrony Financial, $57.53, and that would be a very big move in an upward direction. Next, we look at a stock that I own, Amazon. AMZN is the symbol. It was down today. This is Friday, and the closing price was $3,288.62. And Amazon is one of the big players, and we have a big horn in the background there, the train going by. The 52-week range for Amazon, $2,881 was the low, and $3,773 was the high. Um, so this is right now looking at a lot of headroom there. 32.88.62 the closing price today, and after hours it went down a little bit to 32.87 and a half. This might be a good time to jump in and get some AMZN stock. The average volume, a little over 3 million shares trade every day. It is considered to be overvalued. That's consideration by the people who study the numbers very closely. They expect this price to keep going down. The PE ratio, third item down the middle column, 57.3. That is very high, but this is Amazon, and Christmas season is coming up, and also at some point the COVID restrictions are going to be lifted. When that happens and the economy begins to move again, Amazon will be one of the movers. 1 year target estimate, $4,150. That is a big move upward indeed, so we'll watch and see if that happens. And the last stock we'll look at today, ABBV, ABBV Incorporated, ABBV, and the closing price $111.19, $111.19. The 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down, the column on the left. $79.11 was the low, and $121.53 was the high. So it's closer to the high than to the low, and it closed upwards today. The average volume, over 7 million shares trade every day. It is considered again to be overvalued, and the PE ratio 29.99, so it's about 30, and that is higher than I like. But this stock is in the pharmaceutical sector, and there's a lot happening there. This could be one of those that has a surprise. In the meantime, you're getting a good yield. The dividend yields 4.69%. So just for holding on to the stock, you're getting a nice amount of money every year. And if this goes up like expected, we're looking at a 1 year target of $127.01. So that would be very nice, and I thank you very much for watching.